Breaking news coming in. Arjun Rampal's live-in partner Gabriella appears before the Narcotics Control Bureau in the Bollywood drug case. Gabriella and Arjun Rampal, remember, were summoned by the NCB after the actor's house was raided. Arjun Rampal will appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau tomorrow. That's the latest coming in from Mumbai at the moment. My colleague Saurabh getting us all the very latest details. Saurabh, when the house of Arjun Rampal was raided, what is it exactly that they were found in possession of? And at the moment, where do things stand at heat, as there's a palpable amount of heat and spotlight on Gabriella, Arjun Rampal, and not to forget Gabriella's brother Ajay Salos as well.
Absolutely, Chetty. Like you mentioned, Gabriella's brother was actually arrested by the NCB officials, and we are right now present outside the NCB office in South Mumbai, and this is where the questioning is right now happening. Now, very important to mention, Chetty, Gabriella's brother, who was arrested by the NCB, what the NCB has to say, that he was in contact with the drug peddlers. He was providing drugs to the drug peddlers who are directly in contact with the Souvik Chakrabarti and Riya Chakrabarti. This is what the NCB has to say, and these are the huge allegations. Now, Gabriella's brother is already arrested. Very recently, NCB raided the house, that is the Capri Heights in Bandra West, where Arjun Rampal lives with live-in partner Gabriella. Now, what the NCB officials have to say, that they seized laptop, some hard disk and the mobile phone. They also seized one banned item, that is a medical item, but what the NCB officials have to say, was it prescribed, that have to be verified. So once that is verified, they can build on some case. But at the moment, Gabriella is being questioned by the NCB official, and tomorrow is another important day, Chetty, wherein Arjun Rampal is will be questioned by the NCB officials. Tomorrow he's been called to the NCB official at 11 in the morning. Very important, Chetty. Another important case related to this particular case is Karishma Prakash. She was also asked to appear today, but right now the bail play is going on in the Bombay High Court. So we are waiting that once the order comes from Bombay High Court, she will appear after that.
All right, we'll come back to you on the Karishma Prakash bit in just about a bit, but that's the latest coming in. Arjun Rampal and Gabriella both summoned by the NCB. Arjun's girlfriend, Gabriella, is appearing before the NCB at the moment, and those are the visuals coming in from South Mumbai NCB office.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.